Hi, honeys. It's Michelle. I'm very excited to be here. I'm doing a Stitch Fix video, and let me show you what the bundle looks like here. I see some polka dots. I see some plum color. This looks like a dark green. I don't know how well that shows up, but and then mustard yellow, and it's like 2 jean items. Okay, there's the other end of the packet. And then I also requested these pajamas. This is an extra add-on item. The way that this works, I'm just going to say it real quick, okay? Because, I mean, you've probably seen me do this quite a few times by now, but you pay $20 per box. It's a styling fee. They send you the box with 5 or more items if you order some add-ons. They send you this. You put whatever you don't want in there. If you don't keep anything, you are out the $20. If you keep anything, that $20 styling fee gets deducted from what you keep. So it's nice and easy. You can take tests to show you, or to show them, geez, you can take tests to show them what you do and don't want. So you can say, hey, I don't like quarter length sleeves, for example, which I don't. Just an example, but you can say, I don't like stripes or paisley or purple or whatever. And it's really nice. Then you get, let's see. Oh, sorry, I just saw something in the bag on my little card. You get a card. It shows everything in the box and what they recommend that you wear it with. Just a little styling recommendation, which is nice because a lot of people don't know what to wear with what. So I'm going to go ahead and read you the little note from my stylist up here in the corner. It says, hi, Michelle. Happy 19th Fix Day. 19. We're already at 19. Almost 20. Feels like I just started Stitch Fix a couple months ago. I'm so excited to be styling you again today and can't wait for you to see the fall goodness that is in this box. Yes, I love fall. Fall and winter are where it's at for me. I started with the Market and Spruce embroidered dress in mustard. That's what I got excited about. I saw the little picture of it and I thought, I love mustard. I love dresses. I'm excited. I hope it looks as good as it does in the picture. This is great for the season and would look incredible layered with the Just USA denim jacket that you were hoping for. Yeah, I did. I requested a denim jacket. I don't have one, and I've been talking to you ladies about different things that I've kept from Stitch Fix and what would really be nice to put with them. And I think it was the last box. I kept a jumpsuit, and we all agreed it'd look good with a denim jacket. So that's what that's for. I also grabbed you the Mix by 41 Hawthorn knit top with the fun back detailing. This would look great with the Vigoss skinny jeans with the on-trend distressing. This top has the deep hue you were hoping for and would also look great layered under the jacket. Head over to the shop section for our app or website and explore options for completing your look. Your partner in style, Amber. Thanks, Amber. I think this does look like a really good box for me, so I'm excited to try it. What I had requested from Amber was some really pretty jeweled colors, maybe kind of like a rainbow of colors. One of you had recommended ask her for a rainbow of colors, and I thought, yeah, that'd be pretty cool to do. And so that's why I had asked for that. I thought that sounded really cool. And I really wanted the denim jacket. I opened up the packaging. These are the Vigoss Marley skinny jeans, and they are distressed. They're a 16W. And I really like distressed jeans, so I'm not complaining about that. Excuse me. They're skinny jeans. Excellent recovery and will retain form over time. That's good. Real authentic denim look and feel engineered for maximum comfort. Made with a high stretch fabrication that slims and enhances your shape. And these are mid-rise. Okay. Then we have Fit to Fun in a 1X made in China. Teal green. It's called the Lillian V-neck blouse. That's pretty, isn't it? So here's up close. It's like a really dark green, which I love dark green. My favorite color. I'm assuming this is polyester. Let's see. Yep, polyester, and it's machine wash. Yes. Okay. The next top is a, oh, this is pretty. It's a dark plum color. Brad loves purple on me. It is, so it's a V-neck in the front, and then it's like a V in the back with a little strap across it. Mixed by Hawthorn, 1X, made in China. It's called the Murella bar back knit top in dark purple. So pretty. Okay. And this is 95% rayon, 5% spandex, machine wash. Oh, and we have this dress that I think is so pretty. Look at this, you guys. Love it. And it's, oh, I don't know what's up with me, but I love mustard yellow, especially with the color navy. And this is navy in here. Look at the detail on the bottom. Isn't that beautiful? And it's got some lining in it. So pretty. I hope this looks good. Please look good. Love this dress. Market and Spruce 1X, made in China. It's the Auria embroidered dress in mustard. And it's got an elastic waist, which is good. That way you can eat as much as you want for dinner on the weekends, right? And then, just trying to see what it's made out of. And I have some navy wedges that would sure be cute with this. Okay. The shell is 100% rayon, and the lining is 96% polyester, 4% spandex. It is dry clean only. I don't really care though. With dresses, I don't mind dry clean, but I love this color. Then we have the jacket, a jean jacket. Oh, it's a crop jean jacket. It's cute, right? And is it stretchy? Yes, a little bit stretchy. Just USA 1X. Morrie boyfriend denim jacket in navy. And it looks like it's got little pockets down here and then a pocket on each breast, and it buttons up. And this is 74.8% cotton, 24.1% polyester, 1.1% spandex, machine wash. Made in Vietnam. Okay, and then the last item is the pajamas. I don't usually splurge and buy like bougie pajamas. Like, these are kind of pricey, I think, if I remember correctly, but I love them. I love stars. I'm like a stars and moon kind of girl. I don't know why, I just am. Peachy print lounge set. The brand is Seeing Stars in gray and a 1X. We'll see how it looks. 1X pajamas, it's like, I mean, they should fit, but you don't know, right? Maybe it'll be too tight on my hips or something. And this is a brushed fabric, so it's just super soft. So cute. Okay. And then the bottoms. Oh, good. Okay. I've mentioned before I don't like these thick bands on pajama bottoms, but look. It's got, actually, if I show you the inside, you can see it better. It's got a seam here and a seam here, and the elastic, it's not even elastic, it's just the drawstring is here. So you don't have this thick band of elastic that's going to bunch up do a bunch of twirls on you. I hate that, but that's not what this is, so that's good. And then down at the bottom, it's got kind of like a little bit of elastic for a jogger cut. Okay, I have the first top on, and I have the jeans on. What are we thinking here? How's my butt look? I don't want jeans that make my butt look bad. They're comfortable. They're a little bit tight. But I feel like if I sat down for 5 minutes, they'd be fine. I really like distressed jeans, and I like it when they're distressed on the knees. I've got double jointed knees. So when I stand, my knees, they go back far like that if I lock my knees. So when I sit, I end up with this big bubble on the front of my knee. I don't know what it is. It's this weird thing. A lot of people don't get it. It's something about having double jointed knees. You end up with this huge knee bubble on the front of your jeans. And so I really like having distressed jeans on the knee because then I don't have that ugly bubble thing. But let me know what you think of the top. I don't know if I'm a fan. It's okay. I don't know where I would wear it. Feels a little bit tight on my arms. And it feels a little tight right here. Like my bust is pulling it apart. So let me know what you think. There's no stretch to it. So I like the color and I like the polka dots. I just don't know if this is the top for me. So give me your opinion. This is the dark purple top. Do we love the back? I think I really like the back. I'm a big back shower. I like to show off my back. I don't know why. I just do. I like it when things are open back here. I like to wear my hair up, whether it be a ponytail, a bun, pigtails, whatever. I always seem to have my hair up. And I like having extra air back here, especially with all these hot flashes lately. Now I have the dress on with the jean jacket. What do we think? The length of the jean jacket is good. I like things a little bit longer like this on my arms. It would button up too in the front. I like how it's like got like graduated fading on it. Like it's not all one color. It's kind of cool. It reminds me of like wearing one of my brother's jackets when I was in elementary school or something, you know? Okay, so let me show you the dress by itself. So if I had my little navy wedges on it, I'd be about this tall because they're wedges. So it'd be kind of a, whoop. Let me know what you think. How's it look? I love this one. I think it's so pretty. But let me know what you think. I don't know. I don't know if it's like too frumpy right here on me. Let me know. All right, I'm gonna put the pajamas on next. And now I got the PJs on. Let me know what you think. Oh, sorry. They're really, really soft. They're cozy. I like the stars. I like the length. They're not too long and baggy or anything. Good length on the arms. Easy to pull them up. That's one thing I don't like are well, I don't like anything that has a 3/4 sleeve on it. But pajamas included. I like to just push it up myself if I want to. I need your help. I only have a couple days to decide. Now let's look at the prices because I haven't done that yet. The Market and Spruce dress is $74. The denim jacket is $48. The Vigoss jeans are $68. The Mix by 41 Hawthorn dark purple top is $34. And then the teal green Lillian blouse is $40. The pajamas I'm wearing right now are $58. So, but they're really soft and warm. I don't know if I keep these. What I'll probably do is I'm going to be going with Brad probably on a couple business trips to cold places, so I'll wear them then. And we're probably going to Seattle for Christmas, and I'll definitely need them then because it's cold up there. But I think it might be cold this year down here too in the winter, so I might be able to wear them down here as well. The total for everything, let's see. Okay, so if I bought all the regular stuff, not including the pajamas, it'd be $264. If I bought all of them, I'd get a 25% discount, which would be $66 off. But then what they did, they added the PJs, which would bring the subtotal to $256 for all of it. Which really isn't bad. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm not sure what to keep. These are definitely warm pajamas. I'm getting hot standing here. I do really like them though. I don't normally ever have pajamas this expensive, but they're warm and they're soft. I don't know. And I just also wanted to thank you guys because you guys have been signing up using my link, and I have enough credit to where if I wanted to, I could keep all of it. I don't know if I'll keep all of it, but just to let you know, if you sign up, sometimes I'll get $100 sign up bonus that I can put on these videos. And if I get that and you sign up, you get $100 credit for your account as well. If you don't use the whole $100, that's okay. It just goes into your next box, that credit. So you don't have to use it all at once, just to let you know. But because of so many of you using my links, I'm able to keep all this for free if I want. So thank you so much, because to be honest, I've never been able to keep clothes for free with any of these boxes. And it's just nice because, you know, I can't really afford these. And so I usually end up keeping one item or maybe two. And it's kind of nice to just be able to keep whatever I want. It makes me feel good. And it makes me feel like you guys really like my videos if you're using my links, because for the longest time, nobody ever used my links. And I was starting to think you guys didn't like me or something. So it's nice to know that you do. And that you are actually watching and everything. So thank you so much for watching these videos and using my links and spreading the love, letting me know that you enjoy these videos. And you guys have been leaving a lot of comments, which for me, that's my favorite part. I love it when you leave comments. That's why I do this, is the connection that I have with you guys. So I guess I'm supposed to tell you, I never do, I always forget, but I guess I'm supposed to tell you to hit like and subscribe down there and hit the notification bell. And if you do all that, it's great. But like I said, the most important thing to me is the comments. So let me know what you think. I will be back again next month with another Stitch Fix video, and I'll have a bunch of videos in between. But if you like these Stitch Fix videos, don't worry, there'll be another one in December. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you. Bye.